Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Chairman of Zainul Hasan Genggong Education Foundation, Kiai Haji Muhasan Mutawakil Allah SHMM. Honorable Rector of Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic University, Mr. Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab BI Mage. Honorable Thesis Advisors, Mr. Dr. Zainuddin MPD and Mr. Ferry Ferdianto MPD. And unforgettable to my beloved parents. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia Nurwahyuni. I'm a student of the English Education Department, Faculty of Education and Teacher Training. Here, I would like to present my thesis proposal about exploring the implementation of Tokhan Media enhancing student interest in English learning. Okay, first slide, part of background of study. As we know, in the PowerPoint, English is an important subject for global communication and education. However, English learning is still teacher-centered, causing students to be passive, less confident, and less interested. Therefore, innovative learning media such as Tokhan are needed to create active, interactive, and enjoyable learning and enhance students' interest in learning English. So, the reason for choosing this title because this research focuses on the use of Tokhan media to increase students' interest in learning English. This research also explores how Tokhan creates active participation and more interesting learning environment. Second slide, part of focus of study. As written in the PowerPoint, this study focuses on the implementation of Tokhan media in English learning involving 17th grade students at Darullah Wal Karama Senior High School. The study examined students' interests and responses during the learning process. So, in conclusion, this research does not focus on other aspects such as academic achievement, grammar, mastery, or writing skill. Third slide. This slide discusses the statement of the study. What is my statement of the study? There are two statements of the study, namely, first, how is Tokhan media implemented in English learning to enhance students' interest? And second, what are students' responses and experiences toward the use of Tokhan media in learning English? Next, fourth slide, object of study. This part is closely related to the statement of study. Based on the formulation of the problem above, the objectives of the study are first, to describe the implementation of Tokhan media in English language teaching. Second, to describe students' responses and learning experiences toward the use of Tokhan media in enhancing their interest in learning English. Okay, for 5 slides. This slide discusses the significance of study. The study provides theoretical contributions to English teaching and practical benefits for teachers, students, school, and researchers in improving learning quality and student interest. There are two types of significance in this research. First, theoretical significance, and second, practical significance. Next, sixth slide, part of previous studies. In this part, explain the differences between this research and previous studies. For example, first scavenger hunt game media focus more on improving vocabulary mastery. Second, podcast media focus more on improving listening skill. And last, flashcard media focus more on improving vocabulary memory. Next, seventh slide, part of review or related literature. In this section, there are three theories based on grand theory, each with its own purpose. First, the discussion about the definition and purpose of learning media is related to cognitive theory by Brunner. This theory focuses on learning through the thinking process. Second, the discussion about Tokhan media is related to constructivism theory by Vygotsky. This theory focuses on learning through interaction. And third, or last, the discussion about student interest in learning English is related to humanistic theory by Rogers. This theory focuses on learning through interest and motivation. And eighth slide, research method. Part of research method. In the research method, there are four parts. First, research design. Second, the presence of the researcher. Third, source of data. And last, data collection. First, research design. The study used a descriptive qualitative research design to explore the implementation of Tokhan media student learning interest in English learning. And how about second? Second, the presence of the researcher. In this study, the researcher asks about the teacher, the English teacher and observer during the implementation of Tokhan media. The researcher directly teaches, observes and collects data from student responses and participation. Third, source of data. The data source consists of primary and secondary data. The primary data were collected through observation, interviews with 4 selected 10th grade students who were more active and dominant in each group, while secondary data are obtained from documents supporting the research. Last, data collection. Data are collected through observation, interview, and documentation. Observation is used to examine student participation. Interviews are used to obtain students' responses, and documentation is used to support the research data. Next, last slide. In the last slide, you can see the research gallery in my PowerPoint as proof of data collection when implementing Tokhan media as both observer and teacher. Okay, that's all my presentation. I apologize if there are any mistake in my explanation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.